Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. Welcome back. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, we're back. Today I am back with WTM Publications. Got some more results to show you guys. These 4 envelopes came. Okay, commissions for WTM program, postcard program. I'm affiliated with 4 of the programs that they have. I want to show you those cards, and then we'll get to the results. Okay, so 4 of the programs. Let's talk about this one first. Cash Cow 100. Okay, this is the side that they will see. And this is the other side. So you can see it's got a nice gloss to it, a nice thickness to it, right? Okay, so Cash Cow 100. It comes with 100 postcards just like this. The company's gonna mail you 100, okay? There's 2 tiers to it. Every time one of your teammates make $100, you make $100. There's no website with this, okay? Just mail these cards out. Now, for everybody that joined me in this program, I'm going to mail you 100 leads, okay, on Peel and Stick labels. I have a promo right now going through February the 23rd. The program is usually $300 to get in. I got a promo going through February 23rd. Reach out to me. You can get in for $200. Okay, instead of $300, it'll be $200. Okay, I'm going to put some info below so you can get this card, print it out, mail it in with your payments, and get started with Cash Cow 100. Okay? See that one? All right, so 2 tiers. All right, next. Let's go with Profit Max Formula. This one pays $500 per sale. It does not come with a website, any of that. It doesn't come with anything, actually, but the welcome kit. This is what they call the jumbo card, okay? When you join me in this one, I'm going to give you 500 leads, okay? Now, this comes with what they call the 5 for Life bonus. After every 5th sale, the company's going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. This one they call mid-ticket, 500 per sale. Okay? This is a nice postcard. See, it's this side and then that side. This one is, what is it? $6.95 to get in. So 500 plus $195. Okay? 2 money orders. Mail everything priority. That way you can have a tracking number. Okay? That's Profit Max Formula. Okay? Next one up. Supreme Profit System. This one. So this side, this side. It comes with a website. It pays $1,000 per sale on 2 tiers. Every time your teammate makes $1,000, you make $1,000. This is high ticket. Okay? It's $23.50 to get in this one. Okay? $23.50, $1,000 per sale. Comes with a website. It comes with 1,000 postcards. Join me in this one. I'll send you 1,000 leads. Okay? Supreme Profit System. Oh, it also comes with the 5 for Life. After every 5th sale, they're going to send you postcards. 500 postcards, 500 leads, 500 stamps. Supreme Profit System. Next one, Postcard Tycoon. Okay, you can go check it out, thepostcarddiva.com. This one pays out $300 per sale. Okay, it comes with 250 leads and 250 postcards from the company. Join me in this one. I'll send you 400 leads. Okay, this one's $4.98 to get in. 2 money orders. 1 for $300, 1 for $198. Okay? Tycoon. $300 a pop. Okay? Those are the postcard programs I'm affiliated with. As a matter of fact, I've been with this company since 2016, believe it or not. Okay, this is the 5th year. So I've been an affiliate with them for quite a while. So I haven't had any problems with my commissions. Number one is because the commissions are in your name. All they're doing is forwarding the money order to you, right? Okay. So, with that being said, guys, got my handy dandies. Got these 4 envelopes. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna put some info in the description so you can get more info about these programs. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions about any of them, okay? So it's a great way to do, to start a home business with just mailing, but you must be consistent and you must have the right lead source, okay? And we can provide that to you. Okay, this one's the Cash Cow 100. This is from Rich. I don't know Rich, but again, see, with the Cash Cow, you can receive $100 commissions from your team. Okay, every time your team makes 100, you make 100. I believe this is one from Natalie. I can't remember, but at any rate, it says downline, so one of my downline members. Okay, so that's what I love about the Cash Cow 100. It's on 2 tiers, so when your team makes sales, you make money just by default because your name is on their card. So what I'm going to do is cover the bottom of this up so you guys don't, you know, there's not a problem with the routing number. Let me see. Okay, let's cover this up so you can see. This is for $100. Okay. All right, trying to cover it up. This is a different money order here. Cash Cow tells you right here, and you can see it's for $100 right here. Okay, you get this letter with it. All right, $100. So that's one Cash Cow 100. All righty, next one. Okay, let's open this one up. And I have a great deal with the printing company, guys, where you can get these at a good price. I don't use the printing company that the company uses because I can get a better price. So when you join me, I'm going to email you the company that I use, okay, that I recommend. Okay, this is the Cash Cow again, guys. This is $100 money order. Let me cover up the bottom. Okay, right here. $100, Cash Cow. Welcome aboard, Robin. This is Robin. $100. Thank you so much. Everybody that joins me in the Cash Cow receives 100 leads. Next one. Okay. Let's see. Cash Cow again, guys. Another $100. Let me cover this one up. Okay, Cash Cow, another 100. Okay, and check this out on the back, so you can see these had been cashed. Okay, this is brand new, no funny business. I want people to understand. Here's that other one. Okay, these are real new money orders. See the back? Okay. So far, that's 3 of those. Okay. One more. Okay. This one. This is the Tycoon. Okay. Okay, this is from Miss Pam. She told me this was on the way. Okay. Miss Pam. Okay, so let me cover this up, and this is $300. So that's gonna make it $600. Okay. This is the Tycoon. See that? 300 bucks. All right. Welcome aboard, Miss Pam. All right, guys. So that's 600 bucks. And this one, taking it out. See that? It's not being cashed. All right. So that's 600 bucks with direct mail. So you can mail postcards and make commissions. Okay. Again, the company is just going to forward you the commission. The money order is already in your name. So if either one of these programs suits you, get started. Okay, I'll put some information below so you can go check it out. With that being said, thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you guys. Be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.